Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
That was an intense fall.
Where'd he go?
She's literally acting like I'd abuse her right now. Oh my god. She looks so hurt. I'm allowed to love him. I'm allowed to love him.
Боже! Иди сюда, плыви, 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 плыви.
Hey boy, what's up?
Дерево вырвал!
Morning to me.
Uno, due, Rio, sei pronto? Via, scappa, scappa, scappa!
Sienna.
Давай, давай, давай. Опа. Ай, Господи. Давай.
Maya, come back here. Hey.
Oh! I've McFallen! Oh, I'm sorry. I've McFallen.
Double tap to boop my snoot. Go ahead. Boop it. Boop it.
Hey, 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 it's gone. What the fuck?
Let's go. This way.
Hey, Billy. How are you?
Up. Good girl.
What happened to him?
It died.
Ay, mami, ay, ¿qué te hizo? ¿Te atacó? ¿Te atacó?
Mila! Mila, quit!
I love you.
Good. Good. Yo.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? I'll go first.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Was that comfortable? Your feet aren't even touching the ground.
I'm gonna hug mommy. Stop! What? What did I do?
Oh Lord, oh Lord. Okay, y'all doing too.
A lot of juice in there, right?
I'm not gonna chase you, okay? I'm not gonna chase you. You know you were not supposed to go in the recycling, and you definitely know you're not supposed to have that pack of bacon. Storm.
So curious about it.
Bruce.
Go for a walk.
Do that to you? No. 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 No.
Save it tomorrow. It is night time. Nope.
Come on.
Can I?
Кот скалолаз страшный, смотрите, гоп-гоп-гоп, как таракан полез. И потом... Бара, все, не пугай кота, не шугай, пошли. Nice if you want the fuck.
Come on, bitch. Come on. Get active. Everybody get active, because I'm getting active too. I'm getting active too.
把富贵干倒了。
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. Con mi mano. Con mi mano. Pues es que...
What is it?
No, he still just wants to eat it.
Come on.
All right, ready? High five, bro. High five. High five.
Low five.
Low paw. High five.
Low paw. Low
Low
five.
paw. Low paw. Low paw.
Stop.
Stop. Low.
No!
Oh, really?
That sucks.
No.
Be gentle.
Yeah. Walter!
Już pani projektantka teraz ogrody będzie projektowała.
Buster, I'm really gonna... Buster!
It's not real.
Oh no. Oh no, you're gonna get attacked.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You know, you're gonna have to come over today and you're gonna have to pick up your Crocs.
Hey! Hey! Daisy! Hey! Hey!
We got a crawler. He's a snakin'. He's a snake! He's a snittery snake!
Hola, compadre. Otro viaje, carboncito.
Get the fuck out my face.
Дюша, давай. Гулять, у меня 5 минут.
You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
Kai. No. Come. No.
Try again. Wow.
Coco, the door's open. Just walk in. The door's open and go walk in.
Come on, let's get out. Come on. Let's get out.
For the Three Stooges.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop. Stop it. Stop.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're going to ask.
Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam?
The body is round. His little legs aren't designed for distance.
No. Ooh.
No. I know what you're trying to do. No.
No, sweetheart.
That? What the hell?
No bite.
Seriously.
No. No. You're gonna knock the tree down. No. You're gonna knock the tree down. Lincoln!
Look, she got a little booby out. Little booby. Oh.
Babe, have you seen the dog? I haven't seen the... Really?
We're working.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No, no. Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
What the Charlie? Get off of me. Get off of me. Charlie, get off of me.
Does my dog know this is a toy? Excuse his face.
Girl, you got 5 kibbles left. 5 kibbles left. There you go.
Oh shit, 4 kibbles left.